the next topic, which is going to be business credit. Now, at some point in your journey as an entrepreneur, you're sure to come across the term business credit. However, if you're like many business owners, you may wonder, what does business credit mean? Business credit is a company's ability to buy something now and pay for it later. An example, you need to go out and you need to get new laptops. You need to get new computer chairs. You want to get that MacBook. You want to get that desktop from HP. You want to get your company chairs. You need to purchase equipment. You can go on and buy it now on business credit and pay for it later. You can pay for a month or two or three or over a duration of 12 months. Another great thing about buy now, pay later, a lot of companies and sole proprietors purchase items from overseas. A good example will be individuals or small businesses that purchase hair extensions, that purchase equipment, wax, makeup, utensils, things of that nature. They can go right to PayPal, make a purchase right now, and they pay for it later. Think about it. By establishing a good business credit rating, you make it easier for you, your business, to borrow money when your company needs it. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to hop right into it. I know you all are looking at my screen and wondering, why do we have the IRS screen up? All right. So there's going to be four key factors that we're going to talk about. Okay. We're going to talk about the EIN. We're going to talk about registering your business. We're going to talk about business credit cards and business accounts. And we're going to talk about establishing a business telephone number. All right. First things first is the EIN. Let's talk about it, people. A EIN is free. Do you hear me? It's free. Now, a EIN is like your social security number for your company. You'll use it to identify your business when it's time to pay your taxes. To who? The IRS. An EIN is also important when you fill out applications for business financing, like business credit cards and loans, and when it's time to open up a bank account in your company's name. We're going to talk about it. So we're on the page right now. I'm sure you all looking right along. Okay. So what we're going to click on right now is going to say apply online now. All right. Now, as you all see, it says it's currently unavailable. There is a time frame in which you can apply for your EIN. I believe it's Monday through Friday. I'm not sure if it's Monday through Sunday, but I definitely know it's between Monday through Friday. But in your free time, definitely hop on the IRS website, click on EIN and go on and get that started. All right. Next thing we're going to talk about is what? Here we go. Registering your business. Now, I have the Texas Secretary of State. Okay. I didn't want to pull up all 50 states, so we just going to hit on Texas. All right. So depending on the type of business and where you are located, you are likely going to have to register your what? Business with the Secretary of State. All right. Now, that's if you're going to complete an LLC, a corporation, a non-for-profit, a sole proprietor, a DBA. You do you and what works best for you. All right. Okay. So I'm already on the website and they have a lot of good, valuable information. Now, let's take a step back. That EIN was free. It just took your time. Establishing your business, registering your business, it's going to take your time and your cash. So I just want to let you all know, if you all need some form of assistance with completing registering your business, definitely click on the link. What we do within our agency is we actually have ebooks that gives you step by step on completing the EIN and registering your business. And you know what? If you the type of person or the type of business that you're too busy, you don't want to do the step by step, we can create it. We can establish the business, create it for you, complete the EIN, whatever you need. All right. So enough about us. Back on to you. All right. Now, the next thing that we're going to talk about is opening a business account. Because what? We need that coin. We need that cash. All right. So what I did, I just pulled up Chase Bank. Everybody knows Chase, JP Morgan, Chase. Okay. let me go on and let you all know what you can do at Chase. You can possibly do this at your local bank. You could possibly do this at a small community bank as well. But let's talk about it a little bit. Having a separate business bank account can make your company seem more credible in the eyes of the lender. The health of the business is frequently measured by reviewing the cash flow in and out of your bank account. All right. Now, let me go on and let you all know this little tidbit. If you need to set up a business account, bank account, we always say that 25th month, make sure you go on and establish that. Okay. If you're trying to register your business, make sure you do that. Make sure you have that completed by the 25th month. There's reasoning behind we always say have it done by the 25th month, which is like after the 2-year mark, so that'll be 2 years and 1 month in. There's a reason behind it. We're not going to get into it right now. But make sure you had it done within the make sure you have it done in 2 years. Once we get to the 2-year and 1 more mark, all of this needs to be completed. Another story for another day. All right. So what you can do on Chase is, here we go. You can create a business checking account. You can get your business credit card account. See, let me go on and do 75001 since we already on it. And here we go. It tells us, voila, the type of business accounts we can have. We can have a complete banking, we can have a business checking, and we can have a platinum business checking. It's a variety, but they also, as I stated, you can open up your business checking accounts and your business credit card accounts. So, we always hear individuals talking about, hey, you want to get your 10 credit cards to establish business credit. That's a no-no. That's a complete no-no. You hear individuals talk about, you need to open up multiple accounts. You need to get you some cereals, some loads. You need your 5 gas cards. That's a no-no. That's a sign of financial instability. You do not know how to manage finances because you wouldn't even do that in your personal life. I don't know why you're going to do that in your business life. But again, we're not going to talk about that right now because that's not what this call in this video is about. All right, so we're going to hop right into the next topic, and that is a dedicated phone line. Now, I know you're talking about, like, why is it important to get a dedicated business line? Let me tell you something. When you start getting those phone calls as it relates to your business and you answering the phone, you answering your personal cell phone saying hello, we don't want to do that. You want to have a dedicated line for your business. So when that particular phone rings, you know how to answer and say, hello, thank you for calling A, B, and C Industries. Hello, thank you for calling Beauty and Barber Retail. Hello, thank you for calling Wax and More. Like, you know how to answer the phone because anybody that's calling that line is calling for business. All right. Now, you don't have to sign up for an expensive phone service if your business doesn't need it. However, getting a dedicated phone number for your company is a must, and it does make your business look credible. Remember to get a business phone number listed in your local directory as well. The yellow pages, white pages is still around, people. So when you register your phone number, go on and input it into the yellow pages and the white pages, okay? So look, guess where I'm at? I'm on Google. We all know Google. We all know Google Voice. You can get your one for a personal. We can get you one for a business telephone number. And this is what we're going to do. We just going to click on it to get started. And it gives us the run through. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, there we go. You can get you a phone number for $10 a month. That's really all you need. That's really all you need. Get you a standard telephone number for $10 a month. Now, you might be able to get you a free telephone number for free, but I didn't look that one up. I just looked up the Google Voice because, we all know about Google. A lot of us use Google in our day-to-day work and personal life. So I looked up Google Voice. But yes, so again, this is in reference to business credit and getting your business off the ground. First thing first, what we talk about, establishing your EIN. How much does it cost? Free. It just costs you your time. The next one is what? Registering your business and getting it established. And what we're going to do in the state of Texas, we're going to go to www.sos.state.tx.us. All right. It's going to walk you through the process of researching the business name, the type of filings, the paperwork that you need, and so forth and so on. The next thing that we talked about is what getting a business account, and that goes for a business checking account and also setting up a business credit card. The next thing and the final thing that we talked about was what? Getting a telephone number. Now, I'm going to tell you something. In the order that I always recommend, the first thing is to get an EIN because it's free. The next thing that you want to do is get you a telephone number. You can get one for as low as $10. You might be able to get one for free. The next thing after that is you want to go on and get yourself a business checking account and a business credit card, and then go on and register your business with the state. Now, the reason why I say make that last is because that's going to cost you the most money out of all of the four things that we talked about. All right, now this is quick and short and simple. Again, if you have any questions or comments, drop it down. You already know you can go to our website, and if you have any questions, if you need us to complete the filings for you,